Last night we had our first snowfall here in Montana. This is also Chewy Boo's first morning with us just after it snowed all night. Chewy loves his mornings, and it does take a moment for him to wake up. As you can see, he is quite cozy, and he absolutely loves his bed. I love it when you first open those curtains and see the snowfall all over the ground and the crispy outside. Okay, Chewy is finally up and he's very excited to go out and play. Oh my gosh, what's that? This is your first snow with us. Oh my goodness, what is it? What is it? Huh? Come on, come on. Pretty bump. What is it? Bounce, bounce. You like this weather, huh? You would not believe that we were in tank top and shorts just about 4 days ago, sitting out in the same yard in the sunshine. Chewy much prefers this weather and snow. Chewy still sometimes forgets himself and does not realize how powerful he is. We have to remind him to play gentle.
Hey, no. This is our first snowfall with Mr. Chewy Boo, our American Akita.
Now, I did get a little sidetracked, but Chewy just sat patiently waiting for his toy. He's such a good dog. We do like to play fetch a little bit, but we're still trying to figure it all out. There are just too many sniffies. He sure has been enjoying eating the snow as much as playing in it. He got covered from head to toe in snow, but he shook it all off and Mr. Two Coats was dry as a bone when he came back into the house. And then, this is his favorite place during the day. If he is not sleeping, he is on guard and watching. He loves to spend his time looking out the window, watching everything, and maybe the occasional bunny or deer. Chewy big stretch. Another end to a perfect day in Montana, living life wild, open,